going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. This is going to be part 5 of the 52 volt MX650 rebuild, in which we're going to take it out on the street today. I know I'm still in my boot for another 2 weeks, but I can't wait any longer. I want to know how fast this thing goes. So I'm going to start by tidying things up, putting all the plastics back on, and then we're going to take it out. And here's how the side panels ended up looking like installed back on the bike. With how I had it previously installed, I just had it zip tied in place since I couldn't fully get the bolts on, but this time I was able to get both covers on nice and flush against the frame, which sandwiches the battery in place. Here's how I have the USB port. I just have it tied to the other cables with enough slack. I wanted it easily accessible in case I want to charge my phone while I'm riding. I cut a little slot for it. And then here's the charge port for the battery, which I previously installed on an earlier video, but turned out pretty clean. Before we continue with this project, I do have an announcement to make. I don't know if you follow Cruise and stuff, but his Honda CRF50 electric dirt bike has me inspired to install one of Electro & Co.'s QS138 kits on my Yamaha YC250. So I have a new video series coming out on my other playlist. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for alternative electric dirt bikes, since it is pretty pricey. I think it's gonna cost me $3 or $4 grand to do that. So I might end up selling one of my Razors to do this. Let me know if you have other suggestions, but if you want to stay tuned to that project, make sure you turn your bell notification on. I really like how the CRF50 plastics look on these type of bikes, though the plastics on my 72 volt bike look noticeably better just because of the tighter tolerances around the edges. It's just a matter of a manufacturing difference. But I want to work on the aesthetics, rewrapping this whole bike a different color, and final touches on the next video. Today I just want to focus on getting this safely back on the road so we can get it tested. Since we are riding this bike on the street, for safety purposes, I added a adjustable mirror on the handlebar so we can see if there's a car coming up behind us. If you are interested in checking out any of the parts that we're using for this whole project, I will leave everything linked in the description below in case you want to check it out. And so we can measure speed. I added a GPS-based speedometer that has a odometer feature a couple of you guys recommended. I really like this one because there's no wiring involved. It takes a minute to install it. We are looking at 58.6 volts, so we are fully charged and good to go. Speedo's working. Alright guys, well I hope I don't lose any footage today. This GoPro's been really finicky since I crashed. Sometimes it loses footage. Hope for the best. Hit that 40. All right guys, I am stoked to be able to ride this MX650 back on the road again. Hopefully my wife doesn't see this video so I don't see all my bikes on Facebook Marketplace tonight. But I've got some diagnosing to do. It appears that all three speed modes on my speed selector switch have about the same top speed of 32, 33 miles an hour. So I gotta look over the Kelly manual, some wiring diagrams to see what I gotta change up. Let me know if you have any suggestions, but I'm determined to get this bike to 40 miles an hour. But if you found today's video helpful in any way, if you enjoyed it, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you want to keep up with this project or any of my other projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.